Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today's razor review is the Parker 74R Heavyweight Butterfly Safety Razor. Here's a look at it. This is the satin finish. Also comes in a graphite finish and a very appealing to the eye rose gold finish. Very nice to look at. Here, let's see if we can get them all lined up side by side so you can check them out. If I can maneuver my fingers to hold all three. There we go. All right. Parker 74R. It's a very nice looking razor. This rose gold is very sweet to look at, and this knurling on the handle makes it very easy to grip, and the length, it's long enough where you can drop it in your palm and spin while you're shaving. Nice and easy. And then satin up on top as well, and very easy to load and unload the blade because it's twist to open. Spin the dial right at the bottom there. She opens and closes. You can load a blade up in about 2 seconds, very quickly. The most simplistic method of loading blades. Twist to open, right there. This razor weighs in at 3.4 ounces or 96 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 4.2 inches or 107 millimeters. It's a genuine brass frame with chrome electroplated finish. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it includes a 5-pack of Parker double-edge razor blades. So you got your choice, rose gold, graphite, or satin. Which one will we use? And one thing is missing. We need some beard activity. We need some beardage. I'll be right back. All right, let's do it. I've got a pretty decent beard growth here. You know, not counting the goatee slash Van Dyke slash circle beard, whatever you want to call it. The rest of it is several days, so we'll put this razor to the test and see how well it works out. We'll see how it shaves. The other players in the game today will be Derby shaving soap. This just came in, something new. And it comes in 3 different flavors. This is lemon. Also comes in menthol and normal, whatever normal is. We can dispute normal. Out of the rose gold, the satin, or the graphite, I will use the graphite. Why not? Looks pretty cool. Since it's lemon shaving soap, I'll mix it up in the Shave Nation ceramic bowl, lemon colored. We'll fill up that lather spot down there at the bottom. I'll use the Chubby 2 Badger brush from Simpsons. Excellent brush. Really nice knot. And I will stick with Derby using a Derby blade right there. And then we'll finish up with Thayer's Witch Hazel, the lemon, sticking with the lemon scent. And before that, the Shave Nation Alum block. Post-shave, right before the aftershave. All right, let's get started. I'll fill up my marble cup with some hot water. Let's drop the brush right into the cup. It's almost large enough where it doesn't fit, but it does fit. Put it in there gently. That's what it looks like when it's dry. Nice, big, dense, tight knot. Drop it in there. Whoop, a little too much water in there. That's what it looks like when it's saturated. Still sticks together. Unlike many synthetic knots, it really holds its shape. Let it soak for a minute. Let's saturate the Shave Nation bowl under the hot water. It is ceramic, so it will retain some heat. I'll pour out the water. Just give the brush a little shake. Pop the cap on this Derby shaving soap. And let's squirt some Derby right into the lather spot down at the bottom. Just fill up that spot down there. Just like that. And we'll take the brush, go right in there, see if we can mix a lather. Oh, it does smell lemony. Nice light citrusy scent. Got some lather coming up around the edge. Just scoop it back in. Let me add a little bit of water. There we go. Coming up around the edge. I already got some decent lather there. Smells really nice. Nice, refreshing, light, clean scent. Plenty of lather for several passes. Less than 30 seconds. This brush is a lather monster. Look at that. All right, let's set that down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Whoa, baby, that's hot. All right, here we go. Let's pick up our brush and our lather. We'll start on the right side. Just work our way across. Drive that lather right into the beard. Just covering all the areas I'm about to shave. Very nice. Good scent. Lathers up nicely. Feels good. Okay, ready? We can't do the figure eight here because we got this hair going on, but we can sure do it right here. Little figure eight. Minor figure eight. Infinity maneuver right there. All the way up. Very slick. I can feel it. Nice and slippery. I think it'll perform well. All right, what do we do now? We clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Here's a look. I'll show you the derby blade. Derby blade. Inserted. Ready to rock and roll with the shave. I'll temper the razor under the hot water. Just warm it up. And we'll start just at the sideburn. Perpendicular, tilt slightly upward, and then work our way down. Got some nice audible feedback. I could hear it right away. Removing the beard. Very nice, look at that. Very slick shaving cream. Beard is coming off easily. One side is filled. Let's flip it over. Carry on down the neckline. Excellent. Both sides are filled. Lots of stubble on there. Let's rinse that. Surprisingly slick shaving cream. Let's do the left side. Perpendicular, tilt slightly out with the handle. Not bad at all. I haven't used a derby blade in a long time and pretty good. One side filled. Let's flip it over. Very smooth, comfortable. Lots of cream on there, lots of stubble. Let's rinse that. Lots of stubble going down the drain as well. Let me clean this up. Just using the shaving cream as a guideline. Let's clean out the middle. Pretty good. Pretty even. Looks good. Okay, let's rinse that. Very nice. One pass. Remove the bulk of my beardage. No problem. Got a little shaving cream left in the beard there. That's okay. Let's re-lather for our second pass. Plenty of lather, for sure. Just get a light coating this time. The middle is clean. Don't have to worry about that. I'll start at the bottom and work my way up now. Very comfortable, feels great in the hand, easy to grip. Let's rinse that. Across the grain. Now backhand. Just right up to the beard and stop. Very good. Just a slight rinse and we'll hit those cheeks. Just the cheeks. We're going to go baby smooth right here. I'm going to just ride the cap. Put the rounded portion against the skin. Tilt the handle slightly up. And nothing happens, but tilt up a little more. As soon as it catches, that's where you want to be. Right there. Sweet spot. Excellent. And this razor shaves very even on both sides. It's got good even blade reveal. I get the same feedback whichever way I spin it. Beautiful. Very nice. Super smooth. All right, final rinse. Let's crack the cap on our Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Soak that under the cold water. Just glide that all around. Wherever you just shaved, hit those areas. Seal off the skin, tighten the pores. If you got any small nicks, it'll seal them up. Excellent finish to the shave. Very nice. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Here we go with the Thayer's Astringent Witch Hazel. Crack the cap on this. Just a few drops into the fingertips. Activate the ingredients and then light fresh lemon scent as well. This goes on really light. Definitely not a creamy balm, just a very light, refreshing, clean scent. Very nice finish to the shave. As you can see, I went from several days of beard growth to baby smooth. These cheeks are like glass right here. Very nice. The neck as well. Nice and smooth. Parker 74R Heavyweight Butterfly Safety Razor. New model for 2021. The 74R Butterfly Twist to Open Safety Razor is crafted with a handsome finish and provides a luxuriously close and comfortable shave. It has an aggressive textured handle for grip, a nice heft, and a wonderful balance. With its traditional butterfly twist to open design, changing blades is a snap, making it an excellent razor for new and experienced wet shavers. The weight, 3.4 ounces or 96 grams. The length, 4.2 inches or 107 millimeters. The handle material is genuine brass frame, chrome electroplated finish. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it includes a 5-pack of Parker double-edge razor blades. The razor performed quite well. The graphite is very nice to look at. It's a nice contrast. Feels great in the hand. Good grip. No problem holding on to this razor. Long enough where you can drop it in your palm and spin it while you're shaving. Butterfly opening. Super easy to load and unload your blade. It is the easiest method of blade loading there is. Very simple. Change the blade in like 2 seconds. Very nice. The Derby shaving cream performed very well. Lathered up in the Shave Nation yellow bowl using the Simpsons Chubby 2 Badger shaving brush. No problem creating lather. Excellent fresh, clean, light scent. Very reasonably priced shaving cream. Good cushion, good lather. Performed well. Derby shaving cream, lemon or menthol or normal. And the Derby blade actually surprised me, performed quite well. I was happy with it. Finishing up with the Shave Nation wide stick alum block. Nice finish to the shave. The Thayer's Lemon Astringent Witch Hazel. Very nice finish to the shave. Nice and light, airy. Before I head out, please click that subscribe button down there and then click the bell up there and then click all so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click below the video where it says show more and you can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box and it'll pop right up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.